how to send hyperlink in Gmail. First of all, open your Gmail, and then from here, we're going to first of all compose our mail. I'm going to write an email address in here, just like this. And for the subject, I'm going to go with hyperlink. After doing that on the compose mail, all you need to do is paste your link here. Just like this, here you can see I have pasted my link. Now all you need to do is tap on send button, and this hyperlink will be sent to that user. So if I simply go to my menu bar right here and then go to my send option right here, here you can see this was the exact hyperlink I sent to that person. That I'm going to open this one. And now whenever I tap on this link, it will take me straight back to that exact link. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.